What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is the fresh bike build video. I'm building a new collective bikes up, the RT1 to be specific. I'm also building some new wheels, I'm getting some elites, some new cranks, just basically a brand new bike. I need a fresh bike before I head on my travels around the world. I'm heading to Canada in a week. So yeah, I need a fresh bike. I'm also gonna give away my old bike, so keep your eyes peeled for what I do with that. But Barney's picking me up right now. We're gonna head to Custom Riders and we're gonna get this bike build underway. Let's do it. Aussie flag.
Oh, I speak the native language in Australia, mate.
Give us some.
How you doing there, old cunt, mate?
Alrighty guys, we made it to Custom Riders. We've got all the parts lined out here, ready to be built up. I'm going to run you through just real quick what I'm going to be riding on my new bike. So I've got all the RT1 parts, RT1 frame, RT1 seat, RT1 bars, forks, stem, and yeah, that's about it. And then for all the parts that I'm going to be running, I'm going to be riding vocal parts. So I've got a 28 tooth ecliptic sprocket, the vocal Valentine cranks. I got the vocal bottom bracket, vocal headset, vocal chain, and got some Hucker grips. So that'll be quite nice. And also Barnos, the legend, has hooked us up with some elites. Look at the sound of that. I'm going to rebuild these actually, give them a little bit of a splatter paint job, and yeah, they'll be looking dialed. So without further ado, let's get this bike build underway. The cranks are on. These are 165mm cranks. I got the shorter cranks. I've never had short cranks, so it'd be nice to test them out. We got the DRS sprocket as well. You tighten these little grub screws up, which puts pressure on this little plate here, so that your cranks they're a bit more stiffer when you ride. You know, makes it better for tail whips and all that. But yeah, let's keep going. How are you, Barnos?
Good, man. Just sorting out your wheel. So you do your wheels, bro.
Yeah. That's it. So most of the bike is now together. The boys are just building the wheels up real quick. I've got some tie spokes. I've got some profile elites. What rim is this, Barney?
Skylark on the front.
Skylark on the front. What's the back one?
Felon.
Alienation Felon. Barney actually hooked me up with the wheels. You're a fucking legend. You're a bloody legend, mate. Thank you so much. Unlucky, mate.
Mason's taking the piss out of people.
Mason is a funny guy. The rim tape is making jokes at us when we get a flat. But the wheels are done. Boom. Boom. And I've decided to go with the Vocal MIG tires. These are foldable tires. They look sick, they look very fast, and they look quite strong. And I'm running the 2.25 wide as well.
Now you've basically got an RT1 complete, right?
Really?
Like the ones that we do with Mason.
You've got elites rather than...
That's the only difference is the wheels.
than the vocal hubs.
Same tyres, same sprocket,
Really?
same frame forks, stem bars. By the way,
Okay, Nick.
Thanks again, Mace. You're a legend.
It's good to see you as well, man.
Yeah, good to see you as well.
Oh my god. Wow. It is live. Holy shit.
Alright, I gotta go home, put some pegs on it, do a few little things, but we'll do the reveal right now.
I'm all done, take it all in. I don't feel young, I can hear when you don't look changed. Did I know you before, but in a different way?